Hi, I am going to show you how to enter data into SPSS. Hopefully you've been able to download SPSS and when you open up SPSS, this is what it looks like right here. You probably won't have this over here, which is recent files that I've used. This part will probably be pretty blank. But what you want to do to start a new file is click on New Dataset. And then click Open. And it brings you to this page. This is known as the variable view. This is where you enter the variable names and labels and so on. We'll come back to that. But, shoot. Oh, it's taking a while. Okay. You want to be in the data view, and in the data view is where you can actually enter the numbers. So for your data entry, you've got at least 3 variables that you're entering. One is a categorical independent variable, and then 2 interval ratio variables. So I'm going to show you how to enter a categorical variable first, and let's say that your 2 categories are people who are 21 and younger, and then over 21 years old. So to do this, we're going to code the people who are 21 and younger as zeros, and the people who are over 21 we'll code as ones. So let's say you've got 10 of each, like that, and that is how I would enter that data. And now, let's say the second variable is your first dependent variable, and let's say it is how people are feeling on a scale from 1 to 10, and you get some different scores. Those are for the people who are 21 and younger. These are for the people who are over 21. And then let's say the other one is how many hours of sleep they got the night before, and it looks like this. That's how many hours of sleep the people who are 21 and younger got, and then the older people will look like this. There, that's all of my data entered. And now I'm going to click on this variable view, and I'm going to name them. So first variable is going to be age. And if I go over to label, I'm going to say something like that. And if I go to values, I'm going to say 0 is 21 and younger, add. 1 is over 21, add. Okay. Second variable is, what was the second variable? Mood. How people are feeling from 1 to 10, something like that. Third variable is sleep. How much sleep they got last night. Notice for mood and sleep, I didn't add any values because the values are pretty self-explanatory. Mood on a scale from 1 to 10 is and number of hours of sleep. So that's it. That's how you would enter your data in SPSS. Then click the little save icon, and we're going to label this Site 51 sample data, save it. And now you've got your data set, and this is what you'll use for homeworks 3 and 4. So that's it, pretty simple.